Each of us works differently. We have different strengths,
different skills,
different struggles,
different goals.
As we learn, push ourselves to advance, we seek different teachers,
different training,
different tools,
and different tech.
That's why we built a platform, not just a CRM. It expands to work with you, that never stops evolving.
We're giving you more tools,
more choice,
more power to work the way that you work.
a platform that flexes with you,
streamlines how you work,
and amplifies your business.
made possible by powerful relationships.
Coming soon, a growing set of tools from new developers for leads, listings, leverage, and exclusive insights you need, all orchestrated from one place, one platform that connects the tools you already use.
so you're connected and free to flow through command.
Through command.
Through command.
through command.
Through command.
You asked, we listened. Command is open for business.